Hi, this video is to demonstrate how pretty straightforward it is to change a hard drive in a computer, a laptop or a desktop, but for this purpose it's going to be a laptop. So I have a Samsung RV511 which has a hard drive size of I'll just check. If I look here, hold on, a hard drive size of 500 gig. So what it's showing is 400, but free space is 351 plus 50, that's 400. So it's effectively a 500 gig drive. So if I want to put in a 1 terabyte drive, for instance, I would go through the process and watch my other video in my channel, how to copy or clone a hard drive using Magic Tool Partition Wizard, and you copy or clone your hard drive onto a bigger drive. So having done that, we then will close the computer down and close that, and shut down. So this is going to just install some updates before it actually shuts down completely. Now in the meanwhile, we're going to swap the drive that's in there for a 1 terabyte solid state drive, which is, I'm using this brand. It's a good brand. It's a 1 terabyte drive, and you can see it's got a SATA connector. Now you can, for this purposes, you can assume I've copied the existing drive over onto this. So it should be all ready to unplug the old one, plug this in, and then Bob's your uncle, and you'll be able to have another 500 gig of space on your computer. So let's just wait for this thing to stop installing, and then we will turn it off, open up the back of the drive, the computer, and swap the drives over. Of course, it's going to take longer than normal. In the meanwhile, we're going to need a screwdriver to undo the back of the computer. Now I've got this electric screwdriver, 28 in 1. It's a really nifty little machine. If I open up the box, it charges from a USB connector there, It's actually a USB-C connector, and it's got a lot of power, and you've got a whole wash of fittings, screw fittings in it. So I'll put the link in this in the description as well, where you can buy it. It's a really nice little machine. I highly recommend it. So now we're going to turn off. We've turned off this computer. I'm going to unplug the power, which I've now done, and close the lid and flip over the computer. So here you can see the back of the computer. Now I'm going to select a Phillips screw head for my electric screwdriver. You can see there, and I'm seeing that is looking like where the hard drive will be. So there's a screw here which we'll undo using this. There it is, it's out. And we'll put it over there so we don't lose it. And now, literally, just pull up the back of the computer. So now you can see